Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about why Venmo is so popular. Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to split a bill with friends or family? Maybe you're going on a trip and need to chip in for gas or hotel, or maybe you're just borrowing money from a friend. If so, then you know how frustrating it can be to deal with cash or checks. That's where Venmo comes in. Venmo is a free mobile payment app that makes it easy to send and receive money from friends and family. It's a great way to split bills, pay for things like rent or groceries, and even send money to charity. One of the main reasons why Venmo is so popular is because it's so easy to use. All you need to do is download the app, create an account, and link your bank account or debit card. Then, you can start sending and receiving money instantly. Venmo is also very secure. All transactions are encrypted and protected by a two-factor authentication system. This means that your money is safe and secure. Venmo also offers a number of other features that make it a great choice for mobile payments. For example, you can use Venmo to pay for things in stores using your phone's camera. You can also use Venmo to send money to people who don't have an account. Overall, Venmo is a great app that makes it easy to send and receive money. It's secure, easy to use, and offers a number of features that make it a great choice for mobile payments. If you're looking for a convenient and secure way to send and receive money, I highly recommend Venmo. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about Venmo, please feel free to leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I hope this script is helpful. Let me know if you have any other questions.